the ship, it sunk yesterday, 2016.
Mm-hmm. What happened to it?
Because it crashed because one of the workers accidentally blew up one of the engines.
Down here?
Right through the engines.
Down there?
And see there, it's made a hole in the deck, so that made
How's the ignition going?
the whole thing. The ignition, it hasn't been. The ignition hasn't. It fell off when we sunk. So
we need some.
And you see over here, we have some of the parts that went in the engine.
Oh.
They went right there. They'd stick up and make it hook in there. And this one would go on top of it, so it'd hook to here, so I can steer the steering wheel, which is right here, what fell off.
Need some tightening.
Yep. And this is my walkie-talkie.
Oh, looks like we have trouble. You found it?
No, I got it. I catched it.
You did? No. Oh my God.
Pretend I catched one. See, I catched one.
What should we do with it, Captain? Should we put it with our ship?
Throw it in the water. No! Throw it overboard. Sorry, sir. This was our old battle buddy. Okay, then get his suit back on. This is a video of the broken ship. So get out. Hey, see that?
What can you tell us, Christian, about our ship? We've got some malfunctioning happening.
Yeah.
Captain Alden's showing us.
This was one of the old parts that went in the gun. And this one. The gun, hey. This went into
have a
the
visitor.
engine. It went
What happened?
into the splinter got in my hand.
Got a splinter?
And I had to pull it out, and now there's a hole in my finger. Everybody.
All right, we need the medics over here. We have a splinter. Medic?
There's no medic.
There isn't.
I'll go get the first aid kit. Don't
All right.
worry.
Thanks, Captain. We've got a splinter. All right, well, that's about all we have for the video. Any last words about our ship or the day?
There you go. The ship almost sank today.
But you saved it. Good work, fellas.
By getting the gun back on, and I got the air gun on, and made it.
Yeah. Yes?
Can you pay attention to Lucy has something in her hand?
Oh, sure. Okay, we're going to end